Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Crystal, and this spring series where we are getting our lives together before the summer hits. So today, y'all, we are cleaning out our cars because my car is a mess, okay? And if you enjoyed this video and you're looking for some motivation for the spring, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. So y'all, let's get into it. I'm gonna give y'all a tour of the car, how it looks right now, and then we're gonna start cleaning. And my dog is running around in the background, so don't mind him. Initially, this video was just going to be music and vibes. But as I'm sitting here editing this, I'm like, dang, sis, how did you let your car get this bad? And I know I'm not the only one asking that question. I know there's someone who clicked on this video and can't fathom someone letting their space get like this. So I had to actually take a step back from editing, walk away from the computer, and really reflect on why I allowed part of my space to get to this point. And y'all, the answer is as complicated as it is simple, and that's high-functioning depression. I have been very honest on this channel about the fact that sometimes I have moments of mental health struggles, but it's always so shocking when you get back to a good place and are able to see your internal struggle reflected in your external. To see your environment be the literal embodiment of what you've been going through in the moment. I know I'm not alone in the fact that sometimes all I can do during the day when I have these bouts of sadness and depression is to put a mask on and perform for others. Whether that's going to happy hour with my girls, dolled up and laughing, or going into a work meeting pretending to be super engaged and focused, while I truly have a mind that's drawing blanks or is focused on something totally miles and hours away. Or it can just be something as simple as exerting the effort to make small talk with the security guard at your office building, or to make sure that you ask the cashier how their day is going. I know it seems like such simple task and like just part of the human experience, but it can be so draining, giving so much energy to pretending to be okay, pretending to have it together, and the reality is that you're struggling. It can take all the energy you have to make it through the day. So by the time you get home, you just want to be sad, be down, be low energy, and y'all, that's okay. I know there's people that tell you, no, you need to get up, you need to make it happen. But I believe it's so important to allow yourself to feel your emotions, to give them space, and to give yourself grace. It's okay to give yourself an opportunity to have these moments as long as you get up sooner than later. My car didn't look like this overnight, but taking just an hour out of a weekend allowed me to get back on track. And more importantly, it added so much to my mental health and my mental well-being by going into my car the next day and it being a clean space. I think it's so important to just give yourself grace in situations that seem so shameful or someone who's similar to me begins to have these moments where your space completely reflects your internal battle. Take it one day at a time and one step at a time. If your car looks like mine, maybe you don't have the energy to give it an hour cleaning. So try to just tackle the trash in the passenger seat or take the shoes out in the back seat. Pick a small task and accomplish that, because then you can build the confidence to remember that you're capable, to remember that although it can seem like you have a mountain to climb, it's really just a molehill. And I think that's so important. And y'all, most importantly, screw shame. If you want to heal yourself, if you want to work towards being a better version of yourself, you have no room for shame in your life. All it's doing is holding you back and trying to remind you of who you were, or mistakes that you've made, or decisions that you're not proud of, and it doesn't help. If all I did was every day feel shame about this car or shame about sharing this on the internet, it wouldn't be able to touch the one person that I hope this touches and reminds her, like, hey, it's okay. We all have things that we're working on and that we're not proud of, and that's not an issue. You're tackling it. So after you watch this video, maybe right now while you're watching the video, you're going to pick that one item or that one task that can seem like too much for you, or it's the one thing that you avoid, and you're going to do it because you're capable. You have the ability to, and you have the strength to. Anyway, y'all, now I'm going to get back to the music and vibes. We're going to finish cleaning up this car. I hope that you're feeling encouraged, because I am. I hope that you know that the best is yet to come. Now DJ, play that ish.
Yeah. I'm gonna trap it out one way or another. Yeah. One thing about love, they say it's blind. Yeah. Yeah. You trap it out one way or another. One thing about love, they say it's blind. Trap it out one way. Yeah. One thing about love, they say it's blind.
I wake up to 5 for my eyes. Fear in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day. Tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Tried to get by, but I'm burning. Let me hide. My mind, it runs. All these thoughts are troubling. Fighting to give up my pain. Fighting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life, then it tries to take me up. Tell you what I need. Right there, I really need time. I need to free my mind. I really need my love. I need to free my mind now. I really need time. I need to free my mind. I really need my love. Oh, yeah. This is the peace that you cannot buy. Send me a love that you cannot mix. One is the joy that you cannot waste, and the other one price that you cannot fix. This is the peace that you cannot buy.
All right, y'all, so I'm all done with my car. I'm gonna show y'all the final tour of it, all nice and clean. This was a lot of work, y'all. I'm like really sweating. Look at it. Like, I'm sweating, but I feel so good because it's done. And now next week we're gonna be tackling cleaning up the house. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure that you subscribe to the channel and give it a thumbs up. Love y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next video.